Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection issues of your Edifier WH500. So this video will be useful for you, for example, if you have unstable connection or when you cannot connect your headphones to your device. So first of all, take a look. In my case, everything is fine and I'm currently connected. To fix the issues, you can perform the hard reset. And to do this, first of all, you have to turn on your headphones by using this power button. It's located between the volume buttons. So you have to activate them. Next, you have to click and hold this power up button the volume up button and the volume down buttons together for 6 seconds until this indicator blinks like 4 or 5 times white quickly. So let's do this right now. Click and hold the volume up and the volume down and take a look on this indicator. As you can see, it blinks. Right now you have to release, and right now we are in the pairing mode. So it means that we successfully performed the reset and we can basically pair our headphones one more time to our device. But if you had any previously connection issues, I can recommend you also to restart Bluetooth on your device. So turn it off for a few seconds, then turn it on back, then click to pair new device. And right now we can select them from the list. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.